create an import profile using network zone or a community zone profile as a template. When picking out the right import profile, now you have some great new options. You can use shared import profile templates from the network zone and community zone. Access to vendor-specific import profile definitions will simplify the integration with vendors for ongoing workflows such as repository import, embedded order data import, and community zone import. And these file templates can be used by all Alma customers as templates for integrating with specific vendors. Let's take a tour of the improvements. If I go to Alma menu and I go to the Resource Management Configuration menu, and I go to the Import Profile section, there's some changes on the Import Profile homepage. First of all, there now are tabs for both institution and community and network zone if available. The active column has been replaced by the status column. And the page overall used to be called Run Import. Now it's still reflected here, but the page itself is called Import Profiles. And finally, the filter drop-down label has been changed to Profile Type. That's right over here. So now we've done a brief tour of the interface changes. Let's look at how to share an import profile template between network and member institutions. First, we want to make sure that we are in a network institution. So I'm going to log into the network institution. Okay, here we are again in the Import Profiles configuration page. First thing we'd like to do is to add a new profile. Let's choose the repository option and click Next. Let's give profile a name. Why don't we call it the Walt Whitman profile? And we'll just pick a originating system at random. And we click Next. This is the Import Profile wizard, and we'll just complete it as usual. Clicking Next, and then clicking Save to finish the wizard. One thing which I just want to make sure is that it has to be set as template. It's something which is done here on the first page. So for status, we're going to set the status as template, and then we're going to save again. Okay, now that we've saved this the Walt Whitman import profile as a template, let's go into a member institution and see if we can copy this template as a member. Here we are in member institution number 1. Let's go to this member institution's import profile configuration page. And when we click on the network tab, sure enough, we see the Walt Whitman import profile being taken from the network institution. Now, what we can do with this is we can copy it by clicking Actions, Copy. And note that anytime you want to copy an import profile, Alma will automatically add this suffix, copied from NZ, copied from network zone. And after copying it, they will be stored in the institution tab. So we're copying these network profile templates from the network zone, and they're going to be saved on our institution. And community zone import profiles can be copied in a similar fashion. Consult the online documentation for a list of which specific community zone import profiles will be provided for Alma users.